Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to copy a formula down a column in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So I will show you two methods. So by following that method you can easily copy a formula down a column in Excel. So first method is that, so select the cell where you created the formula. So you can see I created the formula in these cells. So after that, place the cursor on the bottom right side of cells, and then you can see plus options, and then drag to the plus options to the lower end in the column. So you can see formula is copied. So you can see all cells contain a formula. So guys, in this way you can copy a formula in the column. So if you want to copy a formula when you have a lot of data, so then I will suggest use a second method. Second method is very simple method to copy a formula. So firstly, select the cell where you created the formula. So after that, place the cursor on the bottom right side of cells, and you can see plus options. So when you will see plus options, then double click on the left side of mouse. So when you will double click on the left side of mouse, your formula will be copied in the all cells. So when I will double click on the left side of mouse, you can see the formula is copied down a column. So it is very simple method to copy a formula in the Excel. So guys, these are two methods. So by following that method you can easily copy a formula in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.